Twixt Land and Sea by Joseph Conrad, Part 5 out of 5. Papa. Shut the sea out. It reproaches me with my folly. He gasped and paused. So you see, he went on in a murmur, very ill indeed. Pneumonia, very sudden. He pointed his finger at the carpet, while the thought of the poor girl, vanquished in her struggle with 3 men's absurdities, and coming at last to doubt her own self, held me in a very anguish of pity. You see yourself, he began again in a downcast manner. She could not have really. She mentioned you several times. Good friend, sensible man, so I wanted to tell you myself, let you know the truth. A fellow like that, how could it be she was lonely? And perhaps for a while, mere nothing. There could never have been a question of love for my Freya, such a sensible girl. Man, I cried, rising upon him wrathfully, don't you see that she died of it? He got up too. No, he stammered, as if angry. The doctor's pneumonia. Low state. The inflammation of them. They told me. Knew. He did not finish the word. It ended in a sob. He flung his arms out in a gesture of despair, giving up his ghastly pretense with a low, heartrending cry. And I thought that she was so sensible. Thanks for watching. This video book is provided by StreamBooks.